everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the Glamego box for the month of March, and this is how the box looks. So if you'd like to see what I received in this box this month, then without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to tell you what is this Glamego box. Now, Glamego box is a beauty subscription box where you get products worth ₹2,000 for just ₹299. They have different subscription offers. I will leave their link of the website down below and you guys can go check that out. So this month's box, that is the March edition 2018 Glamego box. This is their anniversary edition. So they have completed 1 year and this is their birthday edition box, and this box is actually really amazing. It has Girl Boss written on it, and also here it says Glamego. This is a magnetic flat box and it is not like their other conventional cardboard boxes. You can reuse this, and I'm definitely going to reuse this box and store all my liquid lipsticks because I need some space to store them. If you are curious about what I'm wearing on my lips, I'm wearing a lipstick shade named Pumpkin from the Lime Crime dupe lipsticks that I just made a video on from Aliexpress. I will leave the link of the video down below so that you guys can go check that out. And when I open the box, here there is a small writing and it says, "We are celebrating you. We wouldn't be here without you celebrating Glamego's first birthday beauty box." And these are the products that you receive. It also comes with this card like the usual Glamego boxes, which mentions all the products that you receive, but this time it's a really colorful card. So first I'm going to talk about the biggest thing in this box, and this is the Mon Sub Peeling Off Black Mask. This is for both men and women, and this is a charcoal mask. This is a 100 milliliters mask, and this is deep cleansing mask, nose blackhead remover, dark spot remover. I have used this mask, but unfortunately I'm too scared of peel off masks, so I have used this only on my nose, and it definitely helps a lot in reducing your blackheads, like drastically. When you peel it off, you can just see the blackheads that come out. It's disgusting, but it's good at the same time because you're definitely getting rid of those. This product contains volcanic mud and charcoal powder, which has powerful penetration and can rapidly penetrate into the bottom of the skin, thoroughly cleaning skin pores. Makes the skin look more clean and bright. Okay, and how to use is also given here. So you must clean your face with a face wash before using this. Then you can apply this, leave it on to dry for 15 to 20 minutes, and then just peel it off like a mask. Don't use it on your eyes, hair, because if it gives a pulling effect, you know what will happen. Danger is what will happen. The actual price of this is ₹1,000. Next thing that I have here is this Bella Voste High Definition Mascara. And this is the eye product of your choice. You can choose from eyeliner or mascara or whatever you want. And this is how the product looks. The packaging is black and silver, which is sleek and looks really classy. This is worth ₹399, and I'll show you how the wand looks. And this is the wand. Next we have the Chronocare Pollute Stop Hair Leave-On Protective Screen Against Pollution for hair for all hair types. Now this is free of sulfate, mineral oil, paraben, fragrance and silicone, and this is how the packaging looks. Last month they gave the Chronocare Face Pollute Stop Spray, which is really good. I have been using it. I'm almost out of it, and this time they have given this one spray for hair, so you can use this while you go out the door to protect your hair from the pollution and the dirt. And this was ₹395. Then we have this Overnight Leave-On Pack by Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Reviving Oxy Pack, Restores and Lightens. Now it says here it's an overnight pack. However, in the back, if you see, it will tell you to use it for 15 to 20 minutes. So what I will do is, before I go to bed in the night, I will leave this pack on my face for 15 to 20 minutes and then I will rinse it off. And it says it's 100% free of parabens, harsh chemicals, alcohol, artificial fragrance and color. It is made up of organic aloe vera gel and lavender essential oil. combine together to detoxify, lock moisture, condition and heal your skin, which is really fantastic. And the worth of this was rupees 90. So those are the 4 products which you actually get from Glamego Box. They send you 4 products. However, as this is their birthday edition, they have sent an extra gift which is from their side. This is the Bella Voste Premium Nail Enamel. This is the color 631 and this, as you can see, is a black nail polish. I love black nail polish, so this is definitely going to be put to use. And that's it for the video, guys. Those were all the products that I got from this month's box, which was really amazing. If you liked the video, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you guys get notified of all my videos as soon as they are uploaded. All my social media links will be down in the description bar, so go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until the next time, live long and prosper, my fellow Earthlings.